Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the HD55 and confirming the battery or 12V supply is stable. This prevents false readings. Once powered, mount the Zircon probe into the spindle and tighten only to the specified stop, so the stylus is free to deflect. Next, set the machine to probe or MDI mode and move the tool to a safe Z height above the workpiece. Doing these steps first ensures you avoid crashes and get reliable edge finder triggers. Once ready, jog the tool slowly toward the workpiece at about 2 to 5 millimeters per second so you can stop immediately if needed. Make small incremental moves, 1/10 to 1/2 millimeter, until the stylus deflects and the probe signals. That tells you the true contact point. Make sure to record the machine X and Y coordinates at the trigger, then retract and repeat from the opposite side to average for accuracy. This method minimizes runout and gives repeatable edge positions. You finish by averaging the coordinates from opposing triggers to calculate the true edge position, because probe deflection and mounting can bias a single reading. Then apply the tool radius and any probe offset to translate that edge into the part 0 or work coordinate system. Once set, verify by touching a known reference or reprobing a nearby edge. If readings vary, check probe mounting, battery voltage, or approach speed. Those are the common issues when.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.